Welcome back to the Tool Crib. You know, one of the greatest things about carrying a Victorinox knife is the fact that you get so many tools with the scales. In this particular version of the compact, this is the plus version, so you get a few more. But two of the main tools are going to be your toothpick and your tweezers. Now, a lot of times I'm not carrying a Swiss Army knife when I'm on the job site. A lot of times I'm just carrying a Leatherman Surge and a flashlight or my basics, and then I'll supplement that depending on what I'm doing that particular day. But I wanted a way to be able to carry some toothpicks because I really missed that about carrying a Swiss Army knife. Now, away from work, I've kind of been switching back and forth between different models, and the compact has quickly become one of my favorites. So in times that I'm carrying it, this is not really necessary, but when I'm not, I really like this option. So I actually got on to Amazon. I was looking for a gift for my wife, which I ended up getting her, and it was just a keychain tool. And I was looking at all the other things that were popping up, and the one that stuck out to me was this titanium toothpick holder. Now, I carry the Pocket Tweeze 2 for a good set of tweezers, and I love these tweezers. They're fantastic. We've done a video on those already. But I wanted a way to carry toothpicks, but this one was unique because it gives you the ability to carry other stuff. Now, there's a lot of these out there. And I actually ordered a couple of them because one of them, the Titainer, which is on order right now, was not due to arrive for a little while, but it comes with a titanium toothpick. This one is just a hollow tube. And so it is a titanium alloy. Now, measurements on here are about 3 1/16 in overall length, about 2 3/4 of inside dimensions for storing whatever you're going to be storing in there. That's going to translate to about 71 millimeters for the storage and about 88 millimeters overall for the overall length. It's super, super lightweight, weighs 0.3 ounces. The great thing about this one is that you can store more than just toothpicks, which a lot of these things you can as well. But this one in particular, the reason I picked it up is because I thought they would be a very good option for carrying a couple of extra Leatherman flat bits with it. So right now I just have toothpicks in there, and it's capped on both ends, comes with dual O-rings on it as well, and then you can put it on your keychain, obviously, with the included key ring. It's supposed to come with a cleaning brush as well. Mine didn't, and I'm not sure why. I need to get in contact with the vendor to find out why I didn't get a cleaning brush with mine. But let me just pull these toothpicks out here, and by the way, I've got probably about 9 or 10 toothpicks in here, so a good selection of toothpicks that you can put in there. But one of the great things about this, and the reason I thought this one might work well, is because this one actually is like the perfect size to carry a couple of extra Leatherman bits in it. And so for those that do carry Leatherman multi-tools and want the option to carry, don't necessarily want to carry a full bit kit, just need a couple of extra bits, this might be a very good option. This is the Tisur, T-I-S-U-R, titanium toothpick holder, but it holds a lot more. It can also work as a pill fob as well, and it's super lightweight. And if you've watched my channel at all, you'll know that I really don't like carrying keychain tools that much. I don't like the extra bulk, but I was willing to go ahead and get this one because I thought this one would be ultra convenient, and I've had it for about a week now, and I got to tell you, I really like carrying this thing. It's a good option for those who don't carry a Swiss Army knife, that do carry a multi-tool, want the ability to carry some toothpicks with them, or a multitude of other small things that you can carry with you. Now, they don't claim it to be waterproof or airtight. They claim it to be semi-airtight, but it does use those two O-rings on there, and they seal up pretty nicely. So I've actually tested this in water to see if we get any kind of leak, leakage into the tube. I left it in there for, a cup of water for about 30 minutes or so, and it was bone dry inside. So I'm going to say that they're just don't want to overclaim what their product is, but it will definitely be watertight from what I can tell, and it's a very, very good option. I really like how slender it is and how it carries. This is the Tisur titanium toothpick holder, but has many, many, many more uses. about $15 on Amazon. And like I said, there's a lot of different options out there, some that I have on the way, and I'll list links for this one and for some of the others that I thought were really, really interesting. My name is Ben. You've been watching the Texas Tool Crib, my little overview of this handy little toothpick holder, the Tisur titanium toothpick holder. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one.